Let's convert this normal case into a magsafe compatible case. Follow the steps properly for better charging efficiency. The package comes with a metal ring, one plastic attachment, three guide sheets, and a pair of wipes. Let's begin the setup by cleaning the backside of the plastic case with alcohol or with the wet and dry wipes provided in the package. Let's remove the top portion of the plastic attachment and insert the appropriate guide for your phone. Mine is S22 Plus, so I have selected the specific sheet for S22 Plus. S22 Plus is written on the line B, so I am inserting the attachment to the line B. And insert the attachment to the charging port. This side of the attachment is for Type C and the other side is for Lightning port. Let's hold the guide carefully and attach the ring to the required case. You can also fix it directly to your phone. The only thing you should take care is you should not attach this to a silicone case. It is recommended only for plastic case and to the phone directly. Previously I tried this on the silicone case but it comes off very easily. If the video is helpful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.